Have you ever bought something at a store, got home, and then realized it was the wrong size? Or the wrong color? And then you have to go back and return it, but you don't know how to explain the situation in English?
It happens to everyone. Shopping in a foreign language can be really stressful, especially when things go wrong. But today we are going to make it easy.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say when you walk into a store, when you want to try something on, and when you need to return or exchange a product. Let's do this.
Welcome to Real English Conversations. I'm William.
And I'm Sarah. This is English 011, and today we're going shopping in English.
This episode is A2 level. That means it's great for beginners and lower intermediate learners. The vocabulary is everyday and practical, and the conversations are realistic.
Today's story: I bought a jacket last week, I got home, and I don't like it anymore. William is going to help me return it at the store. It's going to be a whole adventure.
Today's vocab words are try it on, receipt, exchange, out of stock, on sale, and store credit. 6 really useful phrases for any shopping situation. Let's start from the beginning. All right, Sarah. Let's go back to when you first bought the jacket. You were in the store, and you saw it hanging on the rack. What happened?
So I saw this beautiful jacket and I thought, oh, I love it. But it was expensive. And then I noticed a little sign that said it was on sale, like 30% off. So I thought, okay, let me get it.
Nice. So the jacket was on sale. That's a great shopping word. On sale means the price is reduced. But wait, did you try it on before you bought it?
No, that was my mistake. I didn't try it on. I just grabbed my size and went to the register. I was in a hurry.
Classic mistake. Always try it on before you buy it. That phrase, try it on, means to put on a piece of clothing to see how it fits before you decide to buy it.
Exactly. And the salesperson even asked me, would you like to try it on? And I said no because I was rushing. My own fault.
So you got home, tried it on at home, and what happened?
It just didn't look right on me. The fit was weird. And honestly, I wasn't even sure I needed a new jacket. So I wanted to return it. But I was nervous about going back to the store.
Okay, first things first. Do you have the receipt? That's the most important thing when you return something.
Yes, I had the receipt. I always keep my receipts. I learned that the hard way years ago when I lost one and couldn't return a sweater.
Smart. So let's role play the return. I'll be the store employee. Ready? Hi there. Can I help you with something today?
Yes. Hi. I bought this jacket here last week and I'd like to return it, please.
No problem at all. Do you have your receipt? See, that's the first thing they always ask.
Yes, here it is. The jacket just didn't fit well once I got home.
That's okay. Would you like a full refund, or would you prefer to exchange it for a different size? So here, exchange means swap it for something else.
Oh, can I exchange it for a different style? Maybe something less structured?
Let me check. Unfortunately, that style is out of stock right now. We don't have any more in the store. And that's another key phrase, out of stock.
Oh no. So what are my options then?
We can give you a full refund back to your card, or we can give you store credit. That means the money stays in the store and you can use it anytime you shop with us.
I'll take store credit, please. I'm sure I'll find something else here I like.
And scene. Great job, Sarah. That was a totally realistic shopping conversation. You were polite, clear, and you used all the right vocabulary.
It actually felt pretty natural. I think the key is to just be polite and explain your situation clearly. Store employees deal with returns all day. They're not going to judge you.
Let's go into vocab breakdown number 1. We'll look at the first 3 phrases from our conversation. First, try it on. This is a phrasal verb. When you try it on, you put clothing on your body to see if it fits or looks good before you decide to buy it. I want to try it on before I buy it. The fitting room is where you go to try things on.
You can also say try on the it can move. So, can I try this on, or can I try on this jacket? Both are correct and natural.
Second, receipt. A receipt is your proof of purchase. It shows what you bought, how much you paid, and when. Do you have your receipt? Is the first thing store staff will ask when you return something.
One thing to note, The P in receipt is silent. It's pronounced RHCT, not RIHCT. This is one of those tricky English spelling things.
Third, exchange. When you exchange something, you return it and get something different in its place. I'd like to exchange this for a different size. It's different from a refund. With a refund, you get your money back. With an exchange, you get a new item.
And exchange can be a noun too. I want to do an exchange. Or you'll see signs in stores that say exchanges accepted within 30 days. Same word, used as a noun.
Now let's go back to the store. You have your store credit and you decide to look for something else to buy. Let's walk through what a typical shopping conversation sounds like.
Okay, so I'm walking around and a store employee comes up to me. What do they usually say first?
They'll usually say something like, "Hi, are you finding everything okay? Or can I help you find something today?" It's very common. And you can just say, "I'm just browsing. Thanks if you want to look around by yourself."
And what if I need help? Like, I'm looking for a specific type of sweater?
Just say, "Excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for a light sweater in medium." Simple and direct. You can also ask if something is on sale. Is this on sale? Or are there any items on sale right now?
Oh, I also saw some shoes I liked, but they didn't have my size on the shelf. What do I say?
You'd say, "Excuse me, do you have this in a size 7? And the employee might say, "Let me check in the back." Or they might say those shoes are out of stock right now.
And if they're out of stock, what happens then? Can the store order it for me?
Sometimes, yes. You can ask, "When will this be back in stock?" Or can I order this online if it's out of stock in the store? Most big stores have websites with more inventory.
That's great. And what about when I'm ready to pay and I want to use my store credit? How do I tell the cashier?
Just say, "I have store credit I'd like to use." They'll ask for your name or a card, and they'll apply it to your purchase. Easy. If the new item costs more than your store credit, you just pay the difference.
Perfect. You know, I feel much more confident about shopping in English now. Even the idea of making a complaint or returning something doesn't feel so scary anymore.
That's exactly the goal. Shopping is a very normal, everyday activity, and with the right phrases, you can handle any situation that comes up. Polite, clear, and confident. That's the formula.
Time for vocab breakdown number 2. 3 more phrases to lock in.
Number 4, out of stock. This means a product isn't available right now because all units have been sold or the store doesn't have any. That color is out of stock, but we can order it for you.
The opposite is in stock, which means the product is available. Is this in stock is a great question to ask before you drive to a store.
Number 5, on sale. When something is on sale, the price has been reduced. It's cheaper than normal. These boots are on sale this weekend, 40% off. Be careful. For sale means an item is available to buy. On sale specifically means it's discounted.
This one trips people up a lot. For sale just means you can buy this. On sale means you can buy this at a discount. Very different meanings.
Number 6, store credit. This is money credited to your account at a specific store. You get it instead of a cash refund when you return something. They offered me store credit, so I used it to buy a new sweater. Store credit is like digital money that only works in that one store.
And some stores will only give you store credit instead of a cash refund if you don't have a receipt. So always keep your receipt. That's our advice for today.
Can I try it on, please?
I have my receipt right here.
I'd like to exchange this for a different size.
Is this item out of stock?
Is this jacket on sale right now?
I'd like to use my store credit, please.
Quiz time. Let's see how much you remember from today. 3 questions. Let's go.
Question 1. You're in a clothing store and you want to see if a jacket fits you before you buy it. What do you say? A. Can I try it on? B. Can I wear it? C. Can I test it?
The answer is A. Can I try it on? This is the standard phrase in English. Can I wear it is technically understandable but unnatural. Test it is used for electronics, not clothing.
Question 2. The store employee tells you that model is out of stock. What does that mean? A. The item is very expensive. B. The item is not available right now. C. The item is on sale.
Correct answer. B. It means the item is not available right now. The store has sold all of them, or they haven't received new ones yet. Nothing to do with price.
Last question. You return a shirt, but you don't want your money back. You want credit to use in the store later. What do you ask for? A. A refund. B. An exchange. C. Store credit.
The answer is C. Store credit. A refund gives you your money back directly. An exchange means you get a different item right now. Store credit means the value stays in the store and you use it another time.
That's a wrap on English 011. Today we learned 6 super useful shopping phrases: try it on, receipt, exchange, out of stock, on sale, and store credit.
Next time you go shopping in English, you'll know exactly what to say, whether you're looking for a deal, trying something on, or dealing with a return. You've got this.
If this episode was useful for you, please subscribe to Real English Conversations. New episodes drop every week and we cover everyday situations just like this one.
And coming up in English 012, at the restaurant, we are talking about how to order food, how to handle special requests, and what to say if something is wrong with your meal. It's going to be a delicious episode.
I'm already hungry just thinking about it. See you next time.
Take care, everyone. Keep practicing your English. See you in English 012.